I start by applying white gesso on my journal so the paint and ink will not smear under the page. So it's dry, so we can spray whatever color we want on the journal pages. I choose the Vimy Bay and the Peacock Feather to start. I rarely let white on my pages, so I just have to apply some green ink to cover the white part. I wanted to use the same roll to apply the paint on the pages. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it looks like a distress bubble, so I just keep that, and later I just use the knife to apply the paint to have a more vivid effect on this design. As I was already into bubble, I just choose a rubber stamp with bubble on it and some light green ink to apply that on the pages, and then I use the Lattice stencil with brown ink to add another layer, another dimension to the page. I like to play with my white paint pen, so I just add little dots inside the bubble. I wanted to create some embellishment with a very different color than the background, so I just sprayed salmon onto white cardstock and then play with the Lattice stencil and the Patient Coloration spray. And I just keep adding layer here with the Lotus stencil and Coral Sorbet. On another white cardstock, I had some Plush Coloration spray and added some patience to it. While it's drying, I'm playing with the wheel stencil and Plush Coloration spray on the other one. And another layer with the chevron stencil with the Mardi Gras velvet. I'm not done with layers, so I just added a diamond pattern stencil with Coral Sorbet. Time to create my embellishment. I will just cut by hand some heart to put on my art journal pages. My journaling is about fishing for love, so I just had by hand with black pen some hooks with a wire to look like a fishing hook. I wrote on white paper my journaling and just cut it and glue it into my journal. It says that when you are fishing for love, bait with your heart, not with your brain. I like that. My journal page almost done. I just had some brown distress ink on the edges, and voila! Thank you for watching. Bye bye.